Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to pre-market report sponsored by taxbuddy.com. And first, let us look at the global cues. I thought yesterday the US markets were closed for Thanksgiving Day, so therefore the markets may open flat. But what happened overnight is really disturbing. And there is this new variant of coronavirus called B.1.1.529. Shortly we can say B529. So this new variant was identified in one of the South African countries called Botswana about 15 days before, and later 2-3 days later it was identified in South Africa, and then later it was identified in United Kingdom. So now UK has banned flights from South Africa and 5 other African nations. And not only that, today 2 cases were identified in Hong Kong also. Today 2 cases were identified in Hong Kong also. So because of that, the US futures are down, European futures are doing very badly, Asian markets are falling, Japan is down more than 2%, and Hong Kong nearly 1.5%. Anyway, Hong Kong market is just like our market. Against the global trend, they keep going down. They are not doing it. In fact, Hong Kong market is nearly down 20% from the recent all-time high. So now the SGX Nifty is indicating a gap down of about 130 to 140 points. But the reality may not be that big. That's because usually on an expiry day, the people need to roll over their position. They will have to square up the current month future and they have to buy the next month future if they are holding it for long term. And because of that, on the expiry day, the premium tends to be very high. Yesterday, the Nifty closed at 17,535 and December future was trading around 17,600. So that's a straight 65-point premium. We are not very bullish, then why should we have a 65-point premium? That's because of the rollover. So that premium may come down to 20 to 30 points today. So about 40 points can be wiped out only because of this process. So if you take that into consideration, so the Nifty may fall about 70-80 points at the opening, and after that, of course, it becomes anybody's guess what will happen. So the market has been in a shape where gap down, people short, and then sometimes in the late afternoon, domestic institutions come and support the market and market moves higher. So that is how our market has been behaving. So if coronavirus is the main issue, then I don't think that we should worry too much, because this coronavirus case has been a problem in Europe for the last many months, but in India it is well under control. But however, we cannot be complacent, so we have to be cautious. So I think India is also banned some flights from African countries. So the way this coronavirus thing is developing, it looks this one is more serious than the previous versions. Even the World Health Organization has convened a meeting to discuss about this. So all these are creating jitters among all the markets, and all the markets are down. So there is no doubt that SGX Nifty is down. But we must also remember few things, that we have already fallen so much, and Nifty has already fallen nearly 1,000 plus point. So in the last 1 month or 1.5 months. So how much more it can fall? So if these FIAs stop selling, the market may not go up, but may not go down also, may try to consolidate. But right now, markets are consolidating between 17,200 and 17,600 with a huge volatility. So I will become bullish only if the Nifty crosses 17,600 on the spot, not on the future. And the same way, I will turn bearish if Nifty breaks 17,250 on the spot. So until then, so this is going to be the game of volatility and huge volatility. But December is usually a lackluster month. Markets don't make a bigger move. Based on that, the option premiums are also very, very low. So it is difficult to put some strategies. And yesterday, the Nifty was up more than 100 points. The Reliance alone contributed for the entire rally. So Reliance was around 6% up. So what I did, I sold 2,800 call option, which was trading around 10 rupees. So right now, if any stock moves significantly higher, another 5-10% away, you can sell call options. If any stock move downwards significantly, 5-10% below, you can sell put option. And of course, you have to be very careful if the Nifty crosses 17,600 on the higher side or 17,250 on the lower side. So that is the strategy. For the month of December, somehow I feel that Nifty will be trading between 17,000 to 18,000. If you can remember, the last month I forecasted a range of 17,500 to 18,600. But Nifty has never tested 18,600 on the higher side, but it tested 17,500 on the lower side and it went up to 17,250. But on expiry day, it actually closed above 17,500. So the range of 17,000 to 18,000 I'm forecasting for the December may also end up something like this. Either downside or upside, it may be tested, but ultimately the market may close between these two figures. So let us see how we are going to react for this new variant of coronavirus. So tomorrow maybe I can come out with a video about the long-term picture of our markets and this FIA selling and etc. So hope you enjoyed watching the video. Thank you for watching.